Hi all, Colin here. This weekend's adventure took me to Martin Nature Center in Oklahoma City. I was meeting friends there to do some birthday photos for my goddaughter Kasey. I got there about an hour early and wandered around some, but since today's video is really focused on family and not the scenery, I didn't shoot much of the park itself. I will do a follow-up video this spring and show more of it. It's really kind of been one of my favorite spots. Following the video sections, I have put in some of the shots taken today, photographs that is, in a slideshow. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.
Ready? You used your shoes that time.
Get smart.
She went to me first that time.
Can I go now?
Hold on. Hold on.
Now.
Come on. Now. Again.
Yeah, I'm going. I got to sit down. I'm not playing. I'm not.
Last man standing.
Okay, let's do last man standing.
You can hang on the longest.
Yeah.
I hanged on the longest.
Hold on. Get a good grip, Kasey.
Okay, I can get it.
Corbin, no, you do not get yourself all in that.
Whoa, good try, Kasey.
Now it's only me and you, Noah. No, that's me too.
And me.
Bunny ear. Round. Bunny ear. No. What's wrong, Kenny?
Nothing. Okay, back. Right here. Where might be it? Part.
Did you see she's trying to do the bunny ear?
Back. See? Help. It's your dad.